Ms. Spencer, go to the front line. All scholars, still continue face forward. Let's try this again. We go back to our seats, line up professionally. All scholars facing forward, hands at our sides, directly behind the person in front of us. 3, 2, get down close in the gap. 1, 0. Ms. Spencer. Scholars in the back row, please stand on 3. 1, 2, 3. Kindly lead the row to the door. Excellent professionalism. Scholars in the second row, please stand on 6. 4, 5, 6. Lead your row to the door. Scholars who are in line, make sure you're standing with hands at your side, not in your pockets, facing forward. 3, 2, 1, 0. Scholars in the front row, you get back straight, feet flat on the ground, facing forward, hands in the center of our desk. 3, 2, 1, 0. Stand on 9, 7, 8, 9. Miss Jean, we're not starting to move yet. Jeans, lead your group in. Antonio, close the gap. Now this is an excellent model of how a line should look. Maintaining excellent professionalism. I'm seeing a lot of great leaders right now. This shows how professional you should be all throughout class, all throughout the day. And this will help us get to college. Let's keep going.